Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to post a YouTube video link on Bluesky. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. So before posting here on Bluesky, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Bluesky application. Now in order for you to post something here, first what you're going to do is you have to go to your YouTube account or open YouTube and then look for that specific video that you want to share to your Bluesky. So let me scroll and then copy a link here. Let's just say, for example, you wanted to post this video right here. All you have to do is to look for the share icon or share button. And then after that, you have to click this copy link. Tap this one. Now exit your YouTube application and then open your Bluesky application. And then as you can see, there is this paper with a pencil icon. Tap that one and then paste that link here. You will see a preview of the video. If this one is the correct video, then all you have to do is to tap post. Okay, so you can also add or set some changes with the settings of your post before you publish or post it. Now wait for a couple of seconds and you can go to your profile to see the video that you have posted or the video or the link that you have copied from YouTube to your Bluesky. So basically that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.